same batch according to the timings and comfort of the according to the comfort of the majority of the people, according to the means majority of the people, we can shift it to morning also if possible. Whether this 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. or 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. There's two slots, guys. According to the majority of the people, will be going with any one of the timings. Any one of the timings. We will be with the any one of the timings according to the majority of the student, guys. Okay, anything else clear about the timings part? 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. or 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. It depends upon you guys, majority of the guys. Okay, if you guys were comfortable with, majority of the guys were, again I'm repeating, majority of the guys were comfortable with the 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. slot, means we'll be going with 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. only. If not, if majority of the people were comfortable with 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. means we'll be going with this particular 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. slot. Okay, so please inform this about this slot timings to the management. Okay, fine. Let's go to the Power BI installation. Any one of you, please, who is going to or who is ready to share the screen, please let me know. Let's install the Power BI application. Power BI application. Any one of you? Any one of you, please, guys. No one is ready to share the screen. If you guys were ready to share the screen, means I'm going to guide end to end about the installation part. Why? Because already I have installed Power BI application in my system. That's why I'm asking you guys to share the screen. Who is ready to share the screen? Any one of you, please? No one? Or else I have to continue like this only? Then where you guys going to practice this? Without installation, where you guys going to practice this?
Yeah, actually, I can't share the screen. I'm in office with office
Okay,
laptop,
fine.
so
Okay,
not able
fine.
to share.
Okay, fine. Then what about Amulya? Amulya, Lakshmi? If not, I'll continue with class and I'll be sharing you the installation video of Power BI. If it is okay with that, means I'll move on to the session part. Okay.
Can I share? But actually, I already have the Power BI in my laptop.
Already you're having Power BI in your laptop.
Yes.
Okay, again I'll guide if you want. Why? Because like please uninstall it. Again I'll guide. Everyone will come to know about installation part, right?
Okay.
Shall I make you presenter? Amulya, right? I make you presenter, see? I made you presenter. You can share your screen now. Once again, I'll share the link. in the chat. 1 second. See guys, check your chat box. There you can find the installation link for the Power BI. Installation link. Check your chat box once. Amelia, we can see your screen. Please check your chat box once. Please check your chat box on the top right side. Top
Yes,
right side.
sorry, I got a call. Yes, I will check it.
Okay. Top right side you can see the chat box. In that chat box you have received the this one. Open that link. Click on download. Download.
First one or second one?
Your system will support. 1 second. Any one of that is enough, but your system which kind of 1 second, 1 second. Be on hold. Go to settings. Go to system in down type settings. System. So here down left side system. About, you can say about. Scroll down. Left side. Top left. Now scroll down once. About. Go to about. Your system is 1 second. Where it is. 12 GB RAM, 64-bit. You can go with that. 1 second. Go back. Go back to the installation. 64-bit. Click down. This select second one. Uh, Download. Guys, please
Firstly, I
follow the
need to
same.
uninstall this.
To find same. Go to settings. Go to settings. Same. Go to settings. Go to settings. Okay, fine. No worries. Till here is this is enough. You can stop that installation also. Guys, please follow with this. This is more than enough, guys. After downloading, please install it. Okay. You can stop this also. Okay. Already she have installed, guys. That's why what I'm saying. Already she have installed. That's why she's saying that have to uninstall. She's saying that she have to uninstall the previous one which she have installed. So what I'm saying to her is like you can stop installation now. You can stop downloading now. You can pause it out. Already you have you said right. You can stop. Guys,
Yes, yes.
after downloading, please install it. Go to this link, the link which I have shared here. Okay. Go to this
Can I
link
stop
first.
my screen?
Okay, you can stop sharing. First of all, what to do means, first of all, go to the the same steps which we have done. First of all, download it. After that, install it. That's it. It's more than enough. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to the Give me 1 minute, guys. See, guys. Again, see, just going to the getting the data from the CSV file. See, this is the option. One second, guys. Let me check with internet connection. 1 second. One second, guys. 1 second. Okay. So it have multiple times it have opened. Okay, fine. See, again get data. Again get data. Text or CSV file. Text or CSV. This file. I'll be providing you this with this data sets also, guys. No worries about it. Cool. Okay. See, I'll go here. can see the data I've uploaded. Now I'll go here. See, this what we have done. This maps, till this maps we have seen yesterday. So what I'll do, I'll show you the card part. I'll show you the card part. See, this card part, this is a card. This, go here, see this. 1, 2, 3. Here you can see 1, 2, 3. If you see here, it looks like this. 1, 2, 3. This is called as an card. This is called as an card. Here what we have to do means, use of this. Normally, if I want to showcase my aggregated sum of this, suppose if this revenue column, if I want to see this, if I drag this, see, click here, see, if I drag this revenue column, see, into this, it is aggregating, see, it is aggregating sum here. Why only sum? Sum of revenue, it is showing me sum of revenue over here. Here I can see sum of revenue here, sum of revenue here. So if I want to go with the, if I want to go with the average part also, I can see sum of revenue 9 million. I can change this also. See, if I again, I'll go with another card. Have taken this sum of revenue, right? I'll keep aside this. What I'll take this another card. After taking this, I'll take this and I'll make this to the average of revenue, and also I can make this to the minimum of revenue, maximum of revenue, count 2000, count destined, only unique values, 1817 were the unique values, 1817 were the 1817 were the unique values. Count distant means unique values. Count means it is counting. Okay. For this aggregation, card will perform the aggregation. For the card, for aggregation functions, aggregation functions works on the card. Okay, card. There is a card dot text box. Okay. After this, I'll go here. If I take this, see here, before that, here only I'll say, see, after dragging one count, after dragging one particular column into that particular box itself, only we can drag one particular column over here. We have dragged only one particular column. If I go with the another column, see, shipping cost, it's not working. See, shipping cost over here, it's not working. Only this card is for one particular column. Okay. So what if I needed the more than one column to be aggregated at near one spot, suppose, say, revenue, and also I can take this shipping cost, say, sum of revenue and shipping cost into the multi-row level. There is a multi-row level card. Multi-row level card. Multi-row level card. Suppose in the card, note, in the card only you can go with the one aggregation only. See, again I'll show you. See, here sum of revenue, right? See, count of revenue. If I take this shipping cost into this, it's not. If I take this shipping cost, sum of revenue, it works here. And also if I take any other loaded miles in, it will aggregate. It will aggregate. I can keep like this. And also I can change this thing. Sum of I can change here according to my requirement. Okay? According to my requirement. Clear? Okay. Card, multi-role level card. Once again. Card. Card, multi-role level card. So now let's go with the table part. Table part. This is a table. See, if I go here, this is a table. Table. So it looks like this. We can elaborate this. See, now I can drag here. See, destination state, revenue. Destination state and revenue. Shipping cost. It was aggregating. See, you can see automatically just the figures you can see. It have separated. See all this. See in the it's like an all the numerical calculations. All the numerical calculations which you can see over here in the table part. Sum of revenue, sum of shipping cost for this different states. IA, IL, IN. These were the states for this. See. In this column, these were the unique states. Okay. If I go here, say sum of revenue and sum of shipping cost for this particular state, it is showing. Okay. Card is this. I can make this. See. I can see. I can change this aggregation also. See, average of revenue and shipping cost. It's my wish. I can easily see the values. I can easily see the values with this. If I make it less, I can scroll it also. Okay. This is about the card. Okay, fine. If I go with the here itself, I can go with the this also another column of this trip type. See. See. I'm just dragging. See, I'm just dragging trip type into this. For particular state, what is the trip type? Again, it have subdivided. So you can observe. Particular state, what is the trip type for the particular state? What is the trip type for the particular state? Again, it have subdivided. You can say IA, domestic, international, say it have subdivided again with the trip type and sum of revenue. Say this average of revenue. There is sum of shipping cost. I can make this. Say okay. This is about the table part. Okay, completely like showing the report kind of thing. What exactly like this figures and values of that particular destination state and trip type, what exactly it is happening in that way. Okay, what I'll do now, I'll rename this. I'll go here. I'll take one time column chart. I want to show something. about the slicer part. 1 second. X-axis revenue. Okay. Here, this is one chart is there. Suppose this one chart is there. This one chart is there, and so one again. If I go with the another chart, suppose okay, another chart, same chart, stacked column only, but like I'll go with the origin state. I'll take origin state, and I'll take shipping cost. Okay, origin state and shipping cost. If I want only origin state, or else like 1 second, I'll take this here also destination state. Okay, see now. Slice it. This is slicer, guys. Here slicer is it. This is slicer is it. Okay. Here the slicer is there. So click on this. Suppose see. Again I'm closing this. 1 second, guys. Click on this. So what I'll do, I'll take this destination state here. If I click on this one thing, see. Slicers are like buttons. See. I can see only one particular state. See, I can see one particular state. Sum of shipping cost by destination state. Sum of revenue by destination state. See. Sum of, here you can see revenue by destination state, shipping cost by destination state, revenue by destination state. See, I have selected this particular OH you can see, OH you can see. I don't want this OH. I can go back. One particular individual, one particular, suppose if I want to. In table part, if I want to show you, say the same slicer, if I apply here, see, destination state. See, one particular state's values you can see with this sum of shipping cost and revenue. See here. Slicers are like if you in the slicer part, if you take any categorical column, here this is a categorical column. In this destination state, if I'm picking it out, the unique states in the destination states were this IA, IL, IN, MI, OH, WI. These were the unique states for this particular destination state. And this what you can do in the beside picture of table or graph anything. If I select this, it will show that particular values only. It will show that particular values only with this slicer part. Okay, that particular values only with this slicer part. Slicers are like buttons. You can see this is like buttons. In this, it control in the entire sheet. This is entire sheet. It controls only for this. If I select this particular state values only, you can see this over here. Picture only you can see over here. Here in the table part, values you can see. Okay, this is about the slicer. Okay, after this, till here few charts we'll see at end, guys. Why? Because no, almost we have done. If anything else, we have to see few things. After DAX, we have to see few things. Okay, that part we'll see at end. After completion of the DAX, we'll see if anything left. We'll see that few things after the at the end part, like this, one or two. It's there. That's it. Okay, we'll see that at end after completion of the DAX part. So suppose here, if I go here for this visual, see x-axis, see title part is on. Here you can see sum of revenue by destination state, right? If you want to off the title, you cannot see now. One second. What is title? One second. One second, yes. See, you cannot see the title over here. If it's on it, see, you can see now. And also, one second, this have to, okay. See, values part also off. Left side values also off, see. This is an orientation, guys. This exactly like we have to see it out and we have to do it out with the visual part. Okay, this is an orientation part. Okay, after this, let's go with the, one second. Background color, it's changing background color. See, normally it's white. If I want to change background color to any of this, you can change it. Transparency also same. Okay, visual border. Suppose if you visual border, suppose if I make this white, I'll make this white. You can try it out. See, visual border. Click on this visual border if you want with this black. No, 1 second. It's very thin color. It's very thin. You can see now. It's very light pink. See, visual border. Completely like a decoration kind of thing, guys. Shadow. If I on shadow, you can see shadow. If I close it, you cannot see. Okay. This is about the orientation part, guys. This entire thing is orientation. Just if you just see the visualization, just do that. It's more than enough. No need to stretch it out. This part, just this is for the like the way how you decorate the chart. The way how you decorate the chart. Okay. Normally, if you present in normal way, also it's more than enough for your manager. They were not focusing on your this part, like the way how the chart is and which color chart is. The manager likes this red color. If it is not in red color, he feels bad. That's not going to happen. Okay, it depends upon if you decorate also, no worries. If you not decorate also, no worries. Okay, just this is an orientation part. After this, let's go to the, first of all, I'll be starting with this transform data. First of all, here this the same thing. If I take this to the if I take this to the if I take this to the if I transform data, see, click on this, see, click on this, click on transform data, just click on this, click on transform data. Okay, after this you can see this. One second, guys, give me a minute. One second, give me a minute. Okay, one second. Amulya, one second. What I'll do till here it's enough. What I'll do we have done with charts. Due to the timing issues, people were like, let's decide this slot tomorrow. Okay, I'll discuss with the management and we will discuss and we'll arrange one slot. I hope any one of the timings were better. Any one of the timings were suitable for you, I think, or else like which kind of timings were suitable for you, Amulya? Hello, hello, Amulya.
Yes, for me it is morning. I'm comfortable.
Morning 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. is uh,
Yes.
okay, fine. We'll arrange it. That's the reason majority of the people were not okay with the timings. Okay.
Okay.
Anyway, Samanya will wind up now. As of now, will from tomorrow onwards, from the again, I'll discuss with management and we'll arrange. Okay, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Okay,
Okay. These all are the graphs for the basic purpose, right?
come again.
These are the all graphs, right, in the Power BI for the basic
Yes, all
understanding.
the graph visuals with the Power BI part.
Yes. Okay. Okay.
Okay, fine,
Thank you.
Amulya. We'll meet in tomorrow's class. Bye, bye, bye. But tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Bye, bye, bye,
Okay.
bye.
Bye.